Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the one that we seen in the VA section of the verbal section of the SSC CHSL 2015 examination. So what we will be doing is basically we'll take a look at the questions in front of us, and we'll try and understand the kind of question that have been asked in the previous year's papers, and also we'll ideally take a look at the approach involved for solving the same, so that whenever we come across this kind of questions further down the line we are easily able to solve them. So as these questions are more or less on the vocab type, make sure that you make a note of this question. This will basically benefit you a lot as far as your vocabularies are concerned. Okay, and also you'll learn a lot of things about the synonyms in general. So this question that we are going to be solving, this four questions 55 to 58, they are pertaining to the synonym kind. Okay, so make sure you keep a note of this. Now, having said that, let's go through with the questions. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one that which expresses the meaning of the given word. Okay. 55, we have jealous. Jealous basically is a very common word, you know. So jealous, what it actually means is that to be envious, or to be, you know, not able to liking someone's achievements or someone's possessions or something. So being envious of something or someone. Okay, so if you go through the options, proud is totally out of context. Envious will be the right answer. Greedy again out of context. And lustful, lust is a totally different thing. Lust is generally used in a more sensual kind of way. So lustful is totally different thing from jealous. So totally out of context. So as far as 55 is concerned, the right answer would be envious. Okay. Let's move to question number 56. So 56, what we have is quest. So what quest actually means is, I'll give you a context so that you can actually get a better idea of what quest actually means. Uh, During the 16 and 1700s, there was a lot of quests that were going on. That is, explorer would travel the world in search of treasures, for that matter. So they would basically term those travels as quests. So quest basically means traveling or searching from a particular place for some valuable things. Basically, it's a search wherein the travelers or the people travel from one place to another. They'll be searching for one very famous quest was the search for the, you know, mysterious kingdom of gold, that is El Dorado, that had gone on for almost 200 years in the Brazilian rainforest jungles. So yeah, that was one of the example of quest. So now let's I hope you have understood, got a clear idea of what quest means. So let me still write the meaning. Quest basically means search which involves traveling to a new location. In for something valuable. Something valuable. Okay. So this is what we mean by the word quest. Now let's take a look at the options. First is trial. Trial is actually totally unrelated to quest. Trial basically means to have a tryout. That is, suppose we go out for any player who's playing out match. So before he gets signed to any club or any team, he has trials out basically to test out their skills. So trial, again, no point. Test and trial, similar in meaning, totally out of context here. Trial is basically test only. It's just another synonym for the same. Search, yes, search can be the right answer here. And decision, totally out of context. We know what decision already is. So the synonym for the same would be search. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 57. We have here diligent. So diligent means hard working. Okay, we often say he or she is a diligent student. That is, he or she is a hard working student. So modest, modest is totally out of context here. Modest would simply mean to be good and to be down to earth, so that sense. Out of context. Energetic, again out of context. Industrious, yes, industrious also means hardworking, so diligent and industrious are used with replacement to one another, so one can be used in place of others, so yes, this will be our answer. And intelligent, again it's about hardworking, so intelligent will also be a wrong answer. Industrious will be the right answer. Okay, and now with that said, we'll move on to the last one, that is number 58, that is desultory. So what desultory is actually means is that uh, it actually means moving from one plant to another, going from one thing to another without any plan. Okay, movement from one situation to another. The situation can be any plan, any place, anything as such, without any plan. Okay, diminish to lower something or to express something by actually reducing their value. Totally out of context, diminish cannot be. Random can be a very good substitute for the same, because random is also more or less without any plan, just going at the whim of your mind. So yeah, random can be one of the choices. Forsake, it means to, let go something. If I say I've forsaken something, so that would actually means that I have let go of that thing and I don't no longer care for that. So that is what meant by forsake. So forsake will again be wrong. And now if we talk about frugal, frugal would actually means sparing or economically regarding the money or foods, that's all. Okay, so it's basically economical sort of term, again out of context. So random will be the answer over here. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video, and I hope all the points, all the questions that we have discussed in this video are clear to you, all the context, all the words. So with that said, in case you are having any kind of doubt, I suggest you go through the video and listen to my explanation for why I have eliminated certain words with respect to their meanings and all. Okay, so in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to the same, I suggest you look us up and try and basically contact us. So what you can do is go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find multiple ways to connect with us, like our website URL or our email IDs, and also you will find a bunch of phone numbers on which you can call, text, or WhatsApp us. Okay, so feel free to connect with us in case you have, in case you need a fully solved paper of the same with particular sections such as VA, RCQ, LRDI. You can actually avail that. Just contact us. Also, if you need any kind of guidance and help with regards to your exam preparation or any kind of doubt with regards to any subject, we'll be more than happy to help you out with that as well. Feel free and connect with us on those. So with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And also please make sure you make a note of all these words. This will be a very good value addition as far as your what to say vocabulary list is going on. So you can also get a multitude of these words in your further examination. So with all that said and done, we have come to the end of the video, and I'll be signing out. So hopefully all these things are clear to you. We'll continue our discussion on the similar set of questions in the subsequent videos, wherein we'll try and cover more array of topics, more kinds of questions pertaining to the different sections of the examination. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.